Computer is not about computing anymore, it is about a way of living.
We analyze.
We design.
We innovate.
We upgrade.
We hold the future in our hands.
We are the pioneers of technological advancement and progress. The fusion of computer science and electronics engineering. We are Agustinian computer engineers.
Globally competitive graduates equipped with the latest technology in the industry in accordance with set standards, trained by skilled instructors and professors. We are the hosts of the annual Western Visayas Robotics Competition, the only event in Western Visayas.
With partnerships to the industry.
Breaking barriers. Changing lives. This is CSAB Computer Engineering. The fusion is evolution.